When you are driving, critical information about your vehicle's operation should be right in front of you and easy to read at a glance. That's the idea behind Palisade's available digital display. You'll notice that the layout has the speedometer on the left side, while the tachometer is on the right. In the center of the display, different information screens can be shown. You can choose which information screen you want by using the menu button. You have several choices. You can display the navigation features, or vehicle status, or you can bring up the trip computer. When the trip computer is displayed, the move switch can change which information is shown. Certain functions can also be accessed in the digital display, such as head-up display functions, driver assistance functions, and warning sounds. Please check your owner's manual or Hyundai's YouTube channel to learn about these features.